27 signs of autism that parents and professionals can observe. We have covered 4 topics in the past, that is, what is autism, what causes autism, issues or problem areas of autism, and diagnosis of autism. If you would like to have a look, their links are available in the description of this video. Today's content is about the 27 signs of autism that parents and professionals can observe. But please do note that the presence of one or more signs does not necessarily mean your child is having autism. You need to consult a professional to get the proper diagnosis of your child. Okay, so let's see those 27 signs that you may observe. Lack or poor eye contact, lack of facial expression that might not reflect the exact match of the child's feeling and thinking, lack in responding to name, lack of gestures, for example, pointing to objects, delay or lack of talk or spoken language, monotone voice, that is, the voice lacked normal ups and downs of a typical talk, body movements like rocking, flapping of arms and hands, flicking fingers, tapping feet, hair playing, head rocking, twiddling, that is taking some object in hand and shaking or moving back and forth, toe walking, stereotyped kind of communication or repetitive use of language, for example, repeating some phrases or sounds, also called echolalia, lack of pretend playing, more focus on parts and pieces of objects, for example, wheels of a car, preoccupation of a particular object like certain toy, toothbrush, or any other object, tend to play in exactly the same manner over and over again, for example, spinning wheels of a toy car, making light button on and off, opening and closing of a door, preference of a same routine which include same school route, same cup, etc. Very specific in food likeness and dislikeness. Hyper or hyposensitive to noise, touch, light, taste of food, texture of fiber, movements, etc. Difficulty in initiating conversation, difficulty taking turns during discussion, difficulty to continue engagement during conversation, difficulty in reciprocity, that is give and take types of concepts, difficulty interpreting gestures and emotional signals, difficulty in understanding other person's feeling and emotion, for example, peekaboo. They might show no interest at all, or if someone gets hurt. Difficulty in developing relationships with peers and siblings. Lack of interest in shared enjoyment, interest or achievement. Their tendency is towards solo enjoyment. Lack of sharing their own achievement. For example, if they are working on something, typical child show it to their parents or teachers or peers, etc. Difficulty in understanding humor. We will inshallah try to post more and more useful content in future. So stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our humble efforts. Ameen.